In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize frame with content in Figma. Let's start by opening Figma and getting a blank canvas ready. Bring in your image by dragging it from your computer straight onto the canvas, or by using the Place Image option from the toolbar. Once the image is on the canvas, we're going to set up a frame that will hold it. Select the Frame tool from the toolbar and draw a frame at the size you want. Think of a frame as a container that controls how content is cropped, aligned, and ultimately scaled together. With the frame in place, drag your photo into the frame until you see the blue highlight indicating it will be nested inside. When you release, the image becomes clipped by the frame boundaries. Now make a few adjustments. Double-click the image to move it around within the frame, or use the crop handles to refine what's visible. Over in the right sidebar, look at the image fill settings. Choose Fill to make the photo cover the frame edge to edge, Fit to keep the entire image visible with possible gaps, or use Crop for a custom composition. For most hero images or thumbnails, Fill usually looks best because it eliminates empty space. Next, add text. Select the Text tool and click on the frame to type your title or label. Style it with the font, size, weight, and color that match your design. If the text sits directly on the photo, consider increasing contrast by adjusting the text color, adding a subtle shadow, or slightly darkening the image with an overlay fill. Nudge the text into place and align it to the left, center, or right so it feels intentional with the image beneath. With your layout ready, press K on your keyboard to switch to the Scale tool. This is the key step for resizing the frame with its content. Using the corner handles, scale the frame up or down. Because you're in scale mode, both the image and the text inside will resize proportionally with the frame, preserving their relative sizes and spacing. Hold Shift while scaling if you want to maintain the frame's aspect ratio, and hold Option or Alt to scale from the center. Finally, move the frame around the canvas and test a few sizes. You'll see that everything stays intact and scales together smoothly. This approach keeps your composition consistent, makes responsive adjustments fast, and saves you from manually resizing each element every time. That's how you resize a frame with its content in Figma.